Start with a small little curved line. Then we're going to do the top of the eyes, and then the bottom of the eyes. So you're going to do one big curve like this, and then one underneath. On the side of the eye, we're just going to make one little line that way, and then one on the other side. Start at that end, and we're going to go all the way down to here, and then do the same thing on the other side. Make a little line here and one in there in that little pointed area, and then do the top part of the smile, this top part of the mouth, and then go all the way down, follow the line that way. Now we're going to do the tongue. So we're going to do it sort of like a big letter V. Do one side and then the other side, and then one little line in the middle. Circle inside there and a circle inside there. Color it in. And then a line goes through. Same on the other side. Then we're going to add his collar. So we start here, and you're going to do these V shapes that are curved and right there. That's it.